for this type, you can see we and water cooling tower here. Yeah, you can see here we need to end your water tank, then into here for cooling, then the cooling water through here to the microwave machine. You can see we connect the cooling pipes in the middle of our microwave machines. It is for balance the pressure of water, but some of our competitors just put the pipes in the end of the microwave machine and one side in, one side out. So our design is better to balance the pressure of water. And you see here, you can see some pipes. We use copper pipes here, but I know some competitors use solid pipes to cooling the magnets. And we will connect all the wires in our factory and then test the machines for you before delivery, so that you can only open this box and connect the main power, then turn on. The machine can start. It's easy for customers and save the cost of installation. And you see there is a box here and some heating pipes here, because some products need high temperatures. That also means our machines can be customized. Thank you.